رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلوا على الحبيب Imam Qurtubi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi reads in the 7th volume of his book Tafsir al-Quran bi Ahkam al-Bayan. In the 7th volume of his book, Imam Qurtubi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi says Nazar Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam ila malak al-maut. Nabi Pak sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam has seen the angel of death. This is the aqidah of Ahl-Sunnah wal Jama'at that Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has the knowledge of life. This can be proven by the ibarat of Imam Qurtubi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi. Remember, there is a great difference between ghaib and a ghaib. Ghaib, the person who is standing behind the wall, we are unable to see him, he is a ghaib. But who is a ghaib? The thing which can't be predicted by our 5 sense organs is known as ghaib. Can we see the angel of death? Can we hear the angel of death? Can we feel the angel of death? No, it can't be predicted by the 5 sense organs. That proves that angel of death is a ghaib. And Imam Qurtubi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, Nazar Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam ila malakil maut. Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam seen the angel of death. That proves that Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has the knowledge of it. What great a poet says, जो हो चुका के जो होगा हुजूर तेरी अदा से खुदारा An angel of death started talking with Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Angel of death said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, I have came to take the root of your sahabi. I have came to take the root of your companion. Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, O angel of death, you have came to take the root of my sahabi, my companion. Take it easy with him. Why taking out the root? Take it easy with him. Be polite with him. Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, why to be easy with him? Why to be polite with him? Angel of death said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, why taking out the root? Why to be polite with him? Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam answered, because he is my ashik. Because he is my believer, because he is my sahabi. The angel of death started talking with Nabi Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Angel of death said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, by the fadl of Allah Jalla wa Ala, there is not even a single house in this planet Earth where I don't visit 5 times a day. Each and every house in this planet Earth, I visit 5 times a day, and I know each and everybody's father better than his children, and each and everybody's children better than his father. Angel of death knows me better than my father. Angel of death knows my father better than me. Angel of death knows you. Malakul Maut alayhi salam knows you better than your father. Even in the riwayat, in some riwayat it has been said, even the root of a mosquito is being taken out by the same angel of death. What does this mean? One angel of death knows you. One angel of death knows me. One